Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach a very useful guide on how to create a custom paper size on Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar and type for settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you will be able to bring up the settings. So from here, click on open to continue. So here are the settings. Please proceed at the left side of that. You can see there are a list of the options. Please navigate to the option called Bluetooth and devices. And under the Bluetooth and devices, proceed to the third on the list, which is the printers and scanners. All you need to do is you need to click on it. So here, before proceeding, you need to turn off this Let Windows Manage My Default Printer. So turn it off, and once you're good, you need to select on the printer driver that you would like to change the custom paper size with. In my case, I'll be selecting my Epson L120 series. So once you're here, please proceed to this option called Printing Preferences. Now, the moment you do it, you will be able to bring up this kind of window which contains the printer for printing preferences, where here you can see a main, more options, and maintenance. So from here, please click on main, and under it, you can see there an option called document size. All you need to do is you need to click on this down arrow key and choose this option called user defined. The moment you do it, you will be able to customize the paper size. So from here, please set the width and set the height, but ensure that the width is smaller than the height. Okay, so make sure that this height is longer than the width. So let's say for example, if we would like to set for 12, okay, and we will set the height for 20. Okay, so let's type it again, 12 by 20. So if it's not allowing us, meaning that it doesn't apply to the proper width, okay, because it would be in accordance to the height. Okay, it would depend on the height. So if you have set a height for 20, make sure that it will only be in 90 below. Okay, the width would be only in 9 below. Sorry, 9 below rather. Okay, so I mistakenly pronounced it. My bad. So just have to type for 8 again. Okay, and once you have set it 8 by 20, again, ensure that the width is smaller than the height. And the width must be depend on the height. Okay, so if you will set for 20 in height, you would only have to set the width by 9 below. Okay, once you're good, click on OK. Ensure also that the unit is inch. So click on OK. And once you're good, just have to click on this down arrow and you would be able to set it here 9 by 20. So you can select it as your custom paper size. Okay, so another way that you can customize the paper size with is you need to proceed with more options. Do the same, and that is to click on this down arrow, user go with user defined. Okay, and from here you would be able to change also the custom paper size in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Once you're satisfied, click on OK and you're good to go. So close the window and that's it. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.